This week, we'll be installing new light switches. So today we're going to be swapping out this old light switch for a new low profile one. First thing we gotta do is remove the cover after making sure the power is off. Next thing we're going to do is take out the current plug. Okay, that one's out. The next step is to remove the wires and connect them to your new outlet. The next step is to remove the 3 wires on your current switch and connect them to your corresponding connections on the new switch. Your green is your ground, which is the uncoated wire. The other 2 can be put onto either one of these. Okay, next we're going to turn the power back on to make sure we have everything connected correctly. I'm just going to check, make sure the lights work. Hey, it works. Okay, next we're going to go and just reinstall this. Make sure that you line the screws up with the holes. And then run them in. I recommend starting one, getting the other one started. That way you don't have it becoming uneven and more difficult to get in. Okay, that's secured. We'll take our new faceplate and install it over top. Alright, then you just snug that up. These don't have to be super tight. And that's a switch replaced.